është oligarkia, kjo është autokracia. Flasim për agenda. Agenda jonë është Shqipëria, agenda e tyre është djegja.
None of the Albanian youngsters that are protesting here are against development, are against corrupted development and development that exploits nature, environment, and everything else.
I came here to protest because we are currently facing a very corrupt government who is doing a lot of things against their own people. They're doing everything they can in their power to suppress us as protesters. They're doing everything they can in order to pocket and increase their earnings, while the average citizen is out here suffering for basic needs such as water, healthcare, and a lot more.
Nuk ka folur asnjë fjalë për shëndetësinë, për arsimin, për çmimet, për të ardhmen tonë. Po presim e ka treguar historia, a dhe ka vjedhur apo jo? Po presim që ne të lodhemi. Po si mund të lodhemi ne kur ata nuk lodhen?